Etiefo. Hey, Ghana. Say coronavirus here be. Say you see yen hwe ye ne ye de ye politics a. He, de ye bebo ye so na nya bini. Say yan hwe ye na coronavirus ye see ye de ye politics a. Etiefo de be si na nya asemben e na ye kan me the facts bi e ba betum anim. Na micro pictures from official sources ye ni na sebe yitumi dwen na yankasa ya mass aye analysis. The first one the Ghana Health Service. Woko Ghana Health Service ye kan Ghana Health Service ye kan coronavirus ni we no mo na to say the frontline workers o mo na a doctor for ni we ni a wo mo ni a mo she Ghana Health Service ase. Now woman keep a record of Ghana coronavirus case no. Now what Ghana Health Service? Muntie me ye. What Ghana Health Service? Woman website so it shows as far back as 13th of April, which is over a week now. As far back as 13th of April. Now woman recorded a woman website so say Ghana na coronavirus cases no a per 1,000 muntie the American ye. And then the picture is right in front of you so you can see. Picture that we nim no into you can see right in front of you. As far back as 13th of April, na Ghana Health Service for a record they say Ghana the cases in coronavirus no are per 1,000. Now a lot of Ghanaians aban and actually say wobekasa na yate. Na aban nipakra wakasa ema aban Ministry of Information wono ena wode asem we ebrayan. Now on that 13th of April yanko Ministry of Information website so ne yanko hwe ade oko Ministry of Information website so on 13th of April as you can see right in front of you it shows Ghana that time ne ya recorded cases 566 inti a doctor for ene nkrofo na wo mo ye test no na wo mo atro wo mo website so say coronavirus no abro 1,000 last week no mo see coronavirus cases na apa 1,000 but that same last week na Ministry of Information aban no wo ka tre Ghana for say oh coronavirus no na just half of that over just a little over half of that which is 566. Na aban air tray and say na ya recorded just 566. Obi beka say oh ebia a mistake na aban update ni ye ne kre. Ukwa 16th which is 3 days after aban air update say Ghana ya recorded 566 no. 16th of April na aban asanso recorded say coronavirus na Ghana you do 641. But mind you, say Ghana Health Service now recorded say on 13th na ya per 1,000 it is at 13th no 3 days back ho krana. Still I was say cost through over 1,000. But still na aban ma Ghana for believe say coronavirus no na yenye do 1,000 ye. Up till end am no kasa. The cases are 1,042. 2 days on. Abai emba bonten for information bia embe 2 dwa. Say after lockdown no we actually say ababeka ho. We don't know what is going on that. That is the first case. Amedebremo on this. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one no abai mayeti asiye say Ghana your capacity they tested for coronavirus no. 1,200 was in Nogochi every single day. Ye to me 1,000 cases. And another center be and also every single day. Ye to me 200 cases. It's just a Ghana in a day. The number of cases are able to me coronavirus no 1,200. And then you are buying catching meboa. Okay. na etiefo ende aban catch Ghana for say the number of tests ayaye over 60,000. Na we obi a woni massa obehun say Ghana ye say ye testing for coronavirus no roughly about 23 days ni, but what the yemfa say 1 month. Say 1 month krana me pese ye small calculation bi aban ma ya te ase say every single day the maximum number of coronavirus tests that you betumi aye Ghana you betumi aye wo Ghana 1,200. And I mention make say Ghana ya sha say ye aggressive testing for coronavirus no ye be 23 days ni, but what the yemfa say 30 days because 30 days make 1 month. It will be multiply the 30 days by the maximum number of tests that you be to me in a day. Into you know the real figure of Ghana tester yaye. Into 1,200, which is the maximum in a day, times 30. Number ebema 36,000. So why is it that a buying catch yen say and there cases ya tested Ghana no over 60,000, but the fact on the ground say Dabi Ghana krano 36,000 because more can say the capacity we have 1,200 in a day. Say 1,200 in a day. Now coronavirus ye shall say no 30 days near. You just multiply that 1,200 by 30 and no 36,000. So where from the over 60,000 are buying Emma Ghana for AGD and now Emma Ghana for Ghana for TSC says 60,000 test any year. Are we playing politics with the numbers? Are we playing politics with the numbers? And therefore, me bisa asemo. Me say, hey Ghana, it's yari abba. And I just say, ye di agrosano. Hey, oh my baby. And you see, ye danyami ase. Say, I am not the only person. And I mehu adie we. Ye danyami ase. Say, I am not the only person who has seen this. Joy FM for Joy News for journalists. I friend Gary Al-Smith. Wonu so ehu. Emma waka e the Twitter handle so. Emma wo den nsem bia ba betu dwa krama. Twese nkrofo ka say, "Hey, the inconsistencies no too much." I just want to read something from Gary Al-Smith in nsem bia wo troye. Wo no eka because abaya ma ya tia say, "The entire lockdown one left no. It is because of science and data will not abide kra." But as we can see right here, it's like there is some manipulation with the science and data. Are we just putting the lives of people at risk with this manipulated data? Is that what we are doing? A simple question, no. Simple question, and bisa. Ebi mo can say Nugochi no 60 people could do it in a day. But and not about the people who could do it in a day. It's about the capacity. Abai say Ghana, your capacity ne say we can do over 1,200 tests in a day. It is say 1,000 people cry in a year. It's not about the people. It's about equipment now. Yeah, they air test no. And now by say the equipment can handle 1,200 tests in a single day. So if the equipment can handle 1,200 tests in a single day, why are we having over 60,000 cases being recorded by the government? Say and Ghana over 60,000 cases they are recorded. Yendi to ye who say Africa has say will be any wa recording number of tests in Ghana. But the facts on the ground doesn't speak to this. Buying aircraft. What is going on? Therefore, what is going on in my beloved country. Corona ne yedi ye kokwasa sano. Hey Ghana.